everybody, and welcome to the Cannolo Report. Today I'm in a home with a private collection, with this beautiful collection of ceramic tiles from the early 1900s from Santo Stefano di Camastra. They use the mask technique, and they come from three different workshops. I'll see you in a bit to show you other magnificent artworks.
Sicilian Proverbs. No tu si piglia se non s'assomiglia. People marry people similar to them. I find that this proverb works just as well for pets. Cunesci a rinesci. Those who leave their country become successful. It could be wishful thinking for some, but it's definitely true for others.
On June 17th of the year 827, the Arabs landed right here at Capo Granitola. Besides the new god Muhammad, the Arabs brought prosperity to Sicily. Of all the dominations that Sicily had, certainly the Arab one was the most influential, and still today many customs and names have Arab reminiscences. Ancient folk medicine, Vista curta, or short sight. Take human poop and dry it in the sun. Then grind it and mix it with cuttlefish bone powder. Blow the powder into the eyes, and the short sight immediately will heal. The farmer's advice. In June, the wheat of which Sicily is particularly rich is harvested. Figs and cherries are picked. This month is the end of the milking of the sheep. In this video from the Luce Institute, we are on the island of Vulcano. It is 1937, and the beautiful island of the Aeolian archipelago at that time was almost uninhabited. Today it is a popular tourist destination, and today, as then, it is famous for its volcanic mud. A photo from 1928, when many Sicilians emigrated in search of a better future. These remained instead. We are in Canicattì, along a country road near a drinking trough, among bulls and mules, loaded with hay and containers for water. There are young people, the elderly and the children, men with coppola and women with head scarves. Welcome back to the Cannolo Report. Now I'm going to show you these forms from Caltagirone, which were used to make cotognata, which is quince, and mostarda of grapes and prickly pears. These forms also were in different figures, such as animals, landscapes, and also names, and much more. Sicily is a never-ending container of history. It was Sicilian, the last contemporary marine crocodile of the dinosaurs. This tooth, discovered in the Trapani area by Giovanni and Zacco, the scientific director of the Civic Museum of Natural History in Comiso, dates back to 120 million years. The crocodile was about 8 meters long, and in this photo, this is how it must have been while swimming in the waters near Trapani. Sara Favarò, our cultural department wrote her 70th book dedicated to Sicily, the land of the gods, Sicilian mites, and divinities. Congratulations! Another writer joins our group, Stefania Arley from Palermo, but with an English husband. Stefania is also well known in England for her Sicilian books.
Many people from all over the world ask us help in order to come to Sicily, to move to Sicily, to buy a house in Sicily. Okay, our advice is to contact www.sicilyrealty.com, a consortium of renowned Sicilians who will help you to find the better solution in order to move to our island.
Next week in Sicily, weather forecast mostly sunny. Coastal temperatures average high 26, average low 18. The sun rises around 5 a.m. and sets around 8:30 p.m. And let's see what this land and this sea, blessed by the sun and wealth, offers us. The fruit vendor has just picked up zucchinis, pears, broccoli, eggplants, peppers, cauliflowers, apples, artichokes, tomatoes, broad beans, and peas. The fish vendor displays fresh fish from the Mediterranean Sea. Swordfish at 25 euros per kilo, mussels, squid, clams, the typical pink shrimp, mullets, amberjacks, and lots of bluefish at around 15 euros per kilo. And let's come to the feast in Sicily, an island where you never miss an opportunity to leave the houses and celebrate something or someone, and to eat and to observe and enjoy the true insight into Sicilian culture and customs. In this period, unfortunately, not much is celebrated. We are waiting for better times that will apparently come soon. And we have come to an end. I want to leave you with these beautiful images of the Florio collection, the ceramic and the porcelain, produced in Palermo from 1882 to 1939. Here you go. Beautiful. Ciao ciao everybody, un bacio dalla Sicilia. Mwah!